Today we are going to see the main features of the TH Lite module, or the THR320D from SONOFF. This is a smart temperature and humidity monitoring switch. It has a display on it that you can see the temperature and humidity values. Also, you can use this together with sensors, external sensors, for temperature and humidity, or the soil moisture content, and the sensor that can see the moisture in the soil for watering the plants. And also I have here the temperature and humidity sensor THS01 or 01 from the SONOFF that can send the data to the device to display. It can be added to the Evelink application using the Wi-Fi connection, and also it works with Google Home and Alexa. It can save the data and the history data of the recorded values, and you can check the values from the Evelink application. And you can use it as a wet and dry contact. That it will be very useful to control the circuit that you want. If we look inside this, you can see the device here. You can use the data rail extension that easily install the device on the DIN rails, or just you can remove this and use the device in the space that you need. Also, it has a protective cover for the wet contact that you can supply the device, and also you can connect it to the controlled circuit. And on the top you can see the dry contact. That's on the back. You can see the dry contact with 1 ampere max, so you don't need a high current consumption from the dry contact. You can set it up in the normally open or normally closed architecture and use it in your installation. Also, as you can see, it uses the Wi-Fi connection, and the relay for the output is 20 amperes maximum current consumption, so it can be used for some industrial features also. And at the top you have the communication port for the sensor connection, so you can easily add the temperature and humidity sensor to this by the socket available on the device. It is very easily and very easy. You can connect it to the device and then read the values from the device. In the next videos we will see the device in action and use the features inside the Evelink application. Thanks for watching us.